Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone, and let me show you how deeper weather data you can get with your iOS 16. So at first open the weather, and at first you will notice a lot of tabs where you can check weather and degrees and so on for particular hour, also for each upcoming day. Then you can check the UV index, sunset, wind, precipitation, feels like, humidity, and so on. And if you want to get some further details, for example regarding sunset, just tap over here and you will be able to see everything. So first light, sunrise, sunset, last light, total daylight, and so on. Then you can go a bit lower and you can see sunrise and sunset averages here. So for each month you can get it. Let me go back. Then if you'll tap, for example, on wind data, you'll be able to detect the info for each day, and you can see the scale, so it's super easy to check. And then also you can get way more details than previously in previous iOS version. So this is for all information. Also for the pressure here, you can smoothly tap it and check it in detail. Also you've got the daily summary and about the pressure in general. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.